Greeting guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for non-native speakers. If it's the first time guests watch us, please subscribe in our channel and share this video to all your friends that are interested to learn Arabic from A to Z. So let's go. Today we have a new letters with the first movement fatha. So tell me please, what is the name of this one? I give you this a food for thought or as homework. So tell me, what is the name of this one? Yes, this is called ka, ka, ka. And there are difference between ka and qa. I think I gave you this before. So let me then to move the next letter. The next one, this. So this is a test for you. Tell me the name of this one. Yes, this is called la, la, la. So this is called ka and this is la. Last one of our episode, this one. This is called ma, ma, ma. Okay, so ka, la, ma. Your homework then, you have to write down this many times and practice and also review these letters from a to ma. So if you just okay with this, let me know in the comment below. And this is the end of our episode. See you at the next class. Bye bye.